Hi, and welcome to another VATAS training video. Today we will talk about the new TNL search function and the LNPS weather and safety leave. The TNL search function is available on the leave request and premium pay request screen. You can access this from the main menu, and you would also need the 8-digit TNL unit number. You must hit search for employees to appear. Weather and safety has been updated using administrative leave. It is now LNPS. Must be pre-authorized, and it is also tracked on the leave and balance page. This is what you would see when you go into the TNL quick search function. This can be used by the supervisors, TL approvers, and timekeepers. This narrows down the list of requests that you search for, and you do not have to go through select employees. LNPS is also tracked in this new balance, Administrative Leave, Weather and Safety, LNPS. This requires a directive from the HR or director and does not reduce the cap of use of LN regular administrative leave. When you select a request, you would select Weather and Safety. You would need to add any submitter remarks notating the event and the reasons. So now we are logged in like a timekeeper, and from here we can go into employee leave requests. Now to see any leave requests, we first have to hit search. And we see here several leave requests. Now if we wanted to take a look at a specific TNL unit, we can come in here to the TNL unit search field, and only using the station and our TNL unit, we can look up whatever TNL we want. So in this case, I will do 001 underscore underscore 002 for my TNL and hit search. And now we see that the list has gone down quite a bit. So this is only using the station and our TNL unit. I will also change this to, let's say, 004 and hit search. And now we see a different set of leave requests. And this is how the search works for a timekeeper. In just a moment, we will show you how it works for a supervisor. So now we are logged in like a supervisor. The supervisor would have the exact same function in the employee leave request, but we are going to look at employee premium pay requests. So we'll go into employee premium pay request, and again, to see any results, we have to hit search. When we hit search, we see here there are several premium pay requests that are pending. And in here, we can do the exact same thing, only using our station and our TNL unit by typing 001 underscore underscore 004 and hit search. We can filter out this list. We can also change this to another TNL unit, let's say 006, and hit search. And we're only looking at that one pending premium pay request for that TNL unit. And that is how the TNL unit search would work for supervisors. Now we are logged in like an employee. To put in a leave request for weather and safety, we'd go into leave requests. From here, we would click add leave request to put in a new leave request. And in the leave type, we would click the drop down. You will notice here that we have a new code, and this would be weather and safety. This is different than any other code because it starts off with weather and safety and is right below the administrative leave. So we would select weather and safety, LN, we'd put in for the date it was, let's say it was today. We'd enter in the end date, the start time of 7:30 a.m. to 1600 or 4 p.m. The mealtime would automatically populate. If we wanted to enter in any remarks, we would enter them in here. In this case, we put flash flood warning and director approved. Again, Weather and safety needs prior approval before you use it. We would scroll all the way down and we would hit submit. And now we have successfully put in a leave request for weather and safety. So we have now showed you how to use the new TNL search function by Timekeeper and Supervisor, and we've also showed you how to put in an LNPS weather and safety leave request. Should you have any more questions or need references, make sure to check our SharePoint for any updated information.